Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to zoom out in SharePoint Excel. There are a few different ways to do this, so I'll walk you through all of them. I'm using Chrome here, but this also works in Edge or Brave. The easiest way is to use the zoom controls on the status bar at the bottom right corner of the window. You'll see a slider with a minus and plus button. Just drag the slider to the left to zoom out, or click the minus button to zoom out in 10% increments. The zoom percentage next to the slider will decrease, and your spreadsheet cells will appear smaller, showing more of the worksheet at once. If you want to zoom to a specific percentage, click on the zoom percentage value itself, the one that says 100% or whatever your current zoom is. A dialog should open with preset options. Click on 75%, 50%, or 25%, or type in a custom percentage below 100. Then click OK. The zoom changes immediately to your selected level. The fastest method, if you have a mouse, is to use the keyboard shortcut. Hold down the Control key and roll your mouse wheel backward that's towards you to zoom out. The zoom changes by 15% with each scroll, and you'll see the percentage in the status bar decrease in real time. Keep scrolling until you reach the zoom level you want. This works best with a physical mouse, not a laptop trackpad. A couple of things worth knowing. First, if you're using Firefox or Waterfox, you might not see the zoom buttons on the status bar. They only appear in Chromium-based browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Brave. The keyboard shortcut still works in Firefox though. Second, Excel for the web doesn't save your zoom level. Every time you open the workbook, it'll default back to 100%, so you'll need to zoom out again. If you need to permanently save a zoom setting, you'll want to open the file in Excel Desktop instead, where the zoom level gets saved with the workbook. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.